Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace an area of a photo with a different photo, right? So I want to replace this in the inner circle of a coffee with a space, right? So how I will do it? It's very easy to do it. So first of all, select your coffee image and make sure the duration of both of the images should be exact similar. Now once you have selected these timeline of a coffee image, you have to go to this pencil opacity icon right in the effect control. Once you are here, you have to draw an exact mark. By the way, you can also zoom it from here. For example, if I'm not able to view it properly, I will just zoom it out and I will mark everything very clearly. Sometimes it's take a little bit of time, but you have to do it. Now once you finish, you will see that the outer image of whole coffee image has been gone. So here in the effect control under the mask 1, you have to click on check on inverted. Now you will see that we are able to see our space which is replaced, but it is not a properly. By the way, if you want to move a different image of space, just select the space image, go to the effect control, click on motion, right? Once you click on motion, you will able to move the space image here. So once we are here, I will just click on the fit. Now it's looking good, but still you can see there is a brown outer mark. So how you can just remove that and make a little bit a much more better one. So select this coffee image, right? And here you have to increase the mask feather, right? So here you can see I have increased the mask feather and basically mask expansion, right? And you can see that if I just keep on increasing, it will keep on. So just make sure you can just do the proper adjustment according to your requirement. Now it's look perfectly good. So this is how you can replace. I hope you found this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.